to see, for those of you who sent in or used your self-tape create for your monologue, it is so great to see how, you know, the similarities of the few things, the frameworks, but then which direction all of you go in, what kind of characters all of you create. It's so fun to watch and witness. Really, I love it.
Yeah, great job, Olga. I loved it. It was beautiful with the black and white too. Everybody's doing such good work.
That was, I thought that was great. I mean, it was just like, I forgot to turn my camera off when you started rolling. And I thought, oh my gosh, I better turn this. So, no, it was wonderful.
Thank you so much. You guys so kind. Thank you.
So for Amanda, Nancy, and Tracy, I know some of you are, but in Amanda, I can't remember. I know it's been a while if you're on Facebook or not, but we have okay. So the Self-Reliant Actor, are you on Instagram? Okay, so I've been posting some of the Self-Reliant Actor, the self-tape creates, excuse me, on Instagram.
Is that the page name on Instagram?
It's ActorPlaybook. If you go to ActorPlaybook. And you'll see a couple on there. I think Marv's, Jackie's, I can't remember now from this one before the last one, but yes, if you share them or you send me the link, I can share them on the ActorPlaybook page. And then also in the Self-Reliant Actor. And Tracy and Nancy, have I invited you both to the private Facebook group?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So I have a challenge for everyone, and it's just something to think about for the next time you're doing a tape, the next time we have ongoing training and we're working on self-tapes, and I'm calling it the sigh challenge, because I feel like this is something just to be conscious of and think about, because in our actor heads or our actor brains when we're performing, a lot of times I think we feel like we have to be doing and showing that we're doing something. So we do, there's a lot of sigh to show that we're listening, show that we're working. And I don't think we need to. You listening is it. That's the focus. So for the sigh challenge, next time we do a self-tape, if there's a sigh in it, I wish I had one of those. Remember in Family Feud, like the red X's? But I'm just going to challenge you, if you create a tape and you sigh, to do it again. And see, and that's the sigh challenge, is to create and do your work and be in your work, no sighs. Just listen. Listen, trust yourself, and not have to show that. And be curious. And even if you have one with sighs, don't delete it, because I'd love to see the difference too. So moving forward next week, we have our bonus workshop, our surprise workshop with a surprise guest instructor, surprise content. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope, I've worked with this person before. Again, they bring decades of experience to the craft. Fun, energetic, hilarious. And also we're doing our ugly sweater holiday contest. If you would like to participate, I feel like this year needs anything that can be light and fun. 2020 needs it. So
are these on the same day? Is this the same?
Same one, yes. Our holiday workshop is with the surprise instructor, the surprise content, and also bring your ugly sweater fabulousness.
Okay, and that's December 16th?
December 16th at 4 o'clock. So next Wednesday. Oh my God. Oh my God.
And what are we preparing for that? Anything?
It's all surprise.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just show up, right?
Yes. Show up. Show up ready, ready to work. You're going to have something to focus on and do. But just, and show up to have some fun too and connect.